everyone. Welcome to the Spooky Sparkles collab. Woo! I guess I scared my kitty. She's a black and white tuxedo cat, but she didn't like that noise. Anyway, I made what I'm calling the Eerie Night collection. So I started with this bracelet. I'm going to try and make this a fairly short video. I had bought on clearance from Michael's many years ago a strand of these metal and black, I think they're acrylic, maybe glass, I don't know, like cabochon settings. And they were linked together, and there were supposed to be 7 of them, but there were only 6, which I guess is why it was on clearance. Anyway, I added in these like resin sparkly rondelles. Ooh. And then I had these iridescent rondelles. They're sort of not, they're check glass, but they're not really cut evenly. And they're different shades of iris. Some are green, purple, blue, whatever. And then I had some black AB 4mm bicones. They were Chinese crystal. And that I think I got at a yard sale maybe, I'm not sure. And then in 2018 I had bought a charm mix from Nick's Crafty Corner, and they were all Halloween charms, so I added those in between. And this fits about a 7.25 to 7.5 inch wrist. In the back ones I was getting a little too long, so I left off the smooth rondelles in between there. I don't know if you can see them or not. And I just put the sparkly rondelle with the black, and I just ended it with a lobster clasp, because this is a wire wrapped, well actually they're just simple wrap loops with jump rings in between. And this is a jump ring as well, I think, and not a closed ring, I'm pretty sure. Actually, that is the split ring that came on the links chain back here. So I used the split ring. I attached it with an open jump ring, 6mm. And that's about it for my Eerie Night bracelet with the witch flying on her broom. Sorry, it's glary. Very dark here at the moment, and I have to have the light on, so there's kind of a look around. So that's the first piece anyway, and I'll set that down here next to Frankenstein. Then of course I made some earrings to go with it. I had 2 more of these links, but the only matching charms I had were owls in that same charm mix. There we go. Okay, so that's that to go with the bracelet. And then I did 2 pairs of these black cat earrings. These were from Beadbox Bargains. I can't remember if they're check glass or resin. I'm not sure. I didn't write it on the label on my little bag, but I only had the 4. So I just made 2 pair of earrings identical. And the sparkles are here again on those rondelles. Very simple. I used some domed head pins I had, and I did use silver on those because so far everything is silver. The next collection is not. And then I had these Cat on the Moon, also from Beadbox Bargains. Now this one I put backwards, but I think that still looks cute, because that way the moons are facing each other, right? This piece, these 2 pieces here are from the Jessie Jane bead mix in the Soft Flex Spider Queen kit. These bead caps were from my own stash from Fire Mountain, and these are the same black AB bicones that I think I got at a yard sale. So I was going for the black cat kind of look. And actually these are really pretty lightweight, and using the resin here makes it even more lightweight. I mean, the bottom drop is a little heavier, but it's not so heavy you can't wear it. And these are just super light. These are glass and metal, but very lightweight. So, yeah, I don't know where to go with everything. Then I did a separate Eerie Night necklace, and it looks like this. When you wear it on a different, but it's about, I think I did an extender. Yeah, so it's about 18 or 19 inch with about 1.5 inch extender. These two double bead caps are out of the Jessie Jane bead mix in that Spider Queen kit. All these yellow and purples are as well. And then everything else is from my stash. These were check glass from Fire Mountain. They're just called spiral discs. And I put them so that the one in the middle is facing the opposite direction of the other two. And it just depends on which way you're looking at them that you see the iridescence, which is kind of eerie looking. Then the yellow and purple, I like them to go with this pendant. This, and this were on a card I had gotten from Michael's years ago, like a trio of pendants, and I thought the yellow in there brought out the yellow in the ravens. And then I brought in the purple. These were from an old bargain bead box. I don't know which one. These 6mm glass pearls. And then again the black AB bicones. And then the chain was in a kit from jewelrymaker.com that I've had for a long time. And I used 25 links on each one of these and put the little, these little drops were from Cousin, aka Prima now, I think. And I've had them for years. They were a brand, Rebel, or not a brand, a collection called Rebel Shine. And there were 12 drops each in that, on a card. So I just used 4 of them here. I don't think no, I didn't use one on the back. And then I put that on amethyst beading wire from Softflex. Not out of the kit though, I had some open already in my stash. And then just put chain to the back. I was, these are 25 links also. I was originally going for a little bit longer, and then I didn't like how it laid. So I went with the shorter version, and it really looks cool on it. Sort of looks spidery with the chain hanging down, but I didn't want to use spiders. I wanted a necklace that was sort of eerie, but could be worn other than Halloween. Some people enjoy ravens any time of year, so I went with the ravens instead of spiders, but it's still kind of eerie, I think. What do you think? I really like it. So that's that, and then of course earrings to match. Now these I put all in the same direction because you can see them better on the earrings. See, the iridescent glow. And then I just put actually 6 links of chain. I had them longer and I didn't like it, and I used 6 because I ended up connecting them with black jump rings, and which made it longer too. And just those same drops, and they're finished on the back with sort of a I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, a speckled kind of a metal back. Maybe a little bit there, you can see it. So it's okay if they twist around, it'll still look good. And these are on stainless steel ear wires instead. And then I used the link in the necklace here. Oh, I forgot to tell you, these are check glass, like double bicone beads, like a transparent purple with gold on them, so a little bit of mixed metal there. And so I just made a pair of earrings just like that, with the corset double bicone kind of look, and again on stainless steel ear wires. And then the last pair I made and did kind of a messy wire wraps at the top on dark silver head pins from Beadbox Bargains. I believe. Glass pearls and check glass rounds like in the necklace. So that is my Eerie Night collection. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope little Frankenstein here liked them too. And I hope you have a sparkly, spooktacular Halloween. My youngest granddaughter, her school does something called Trunk or Treat. And I think that's the last weekend of October. So I'll probably, if it's not raining or something, I'll probably go see all the kids in their costumes there. And my neighbors have some young ones, and they usually walk around. So I'll get to see the children in their costumes. That's always the fun part for me. I don't like really scary Halloween. And I guess if somebody wanted this as a bracelet other than with the charms, if they know how to open a jump ring, these can all be removed, the charms. And it can be worn, you know, black and purple any time of year. But there it is. All right, everyone, please go check out the other participants in this collab hosted by my friend Monica over at Sparkle by Monica. From the preview that was posted on the 16th of October, which I linked in my community tab. It should be some great makes, and there's many talented people in this collab. So please go check them out and go see what I did on my other channel, Houck's Crafty Cottage. Okay, bye for now.